Hi guys, it's been a while since we last did a video. Here we have a Bosch dishwasher that's come in for an error 9. Error 9 means broken heating element, which has gone open circuit. As you can see, between pin 2 and pin 3, we have an open load, which means this heating element's broken. So that is the reason why you have no heat. Customer will say there's no heat when washing, wash load is coming dirty. So these are the reasons. So the only solution will be to replace this heat pump. Okay, so thank you.